Understanding soil pH, a key to plant health. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an important yet often overlooked aspect of gardening and agriculture, soil pH. Understanding soil pH is crucial for the health of your plants. And in this video, we'll explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can manage it effectively. Soil pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline your soil is. It's measured on a scale from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. A pH below 7 indicates acidic soil, while a pH above 7 means the soil is alkaline. This measure is crucial because it affects the availability of nutrients in the soil and the health of your plants. Different plants thrive in different pH ranges. For instance, blueberries prefer acidic soil, pH 4.5 to 5.5, while vegetables like broccoli and cabbage favor a more neutral to slightly alkaline soil, pH 6.0 to 7.5. Understanding the pH preference of your plants helps you create the best environment for their growth. You can test your soil's pH using a simple test kit from a garden store. If the pH isn't ideal for your plants, you can adjust it. To lower pH, make soil more acidic, you can add substances like sulfur or peat moss. To raise pH, make soil more alkaline, applying lime is a common method. Remember, changes in soil pH happen gradually, so patience is key. Maintaining the ideal pH is an ongoing process. Regular testing and adjustments, if necessary, help ensure your soil remains conducive to your plant's health. Also, be aware of how watering and fertilization affect soil pH. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of soil pH in gardening and agriculture. Remember, knowing your soil's pH and managing it accordingly is a big step towards healthy, thriving plants. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.